So today in Grow a Garden, I was bored, so I went to the middle of the map to see that I have 6 ancient seed packs waiting to be opened. I'll show you the results. Just like and subscribe so that I can hit 10 subs. Here are the results.